Start early, save more, understand inflation and its impact, calculate your future financial needs correctly, invest wisely and independently, follow a financial system, and put finances on autopilot. This is our mantra at Women on Wealth. Warm welcome. I am Priyanka Bhatia, co-founder and lead consultant at Women on Wealth, the premier learning community that helps women to take charge of their finances with financial education that they should have provided you in school or college but didn't. I'm almost certain that you've heard this 1,000,001 times. Invest in the right investment instruments if you want to build a corpus that can ensure you financial freedom. Do you know the methodology to pick these right investment instruments? Are you a DIY, do-it-yourself investor or a dependent investor? We know enough stories of women and men losing their money by being dependent. So at Women on Wealth, we only focus on being DIY investors. How you can do that? Here are some ideas that I can cover in 2-3 minutes. Number 1, start early. If you are in your 30s, 40s, 50s, this is your early. Just begin. DM. Number 2, calculate your requirements correctly. At a moderate inflation rate of 6% year on year, milk priced at 50 rupees a litre today will cost nearly 300 rupees in 2051. It is fine to over-calculate your requirements. Number 3, even if you start early and calculate your future requirements correctly, you will not reach your financial goals with poor investing habits. If you think learning and understanding investing is not your cup of tea or it is not for you, then you are right. These are your poor thinking habits and they won't take you there. However, if you think otherwise or wanna break out of this limited way of thinking, listen further. Equities have the potential to give you highest rates of returns in the long term. Make sure you learn the step-by-step methodology to pick good quality equity mutual funds and good quality stocks and invest independently and confidently. The latest household savings data from the RBI shows that fixed income options like bank deposits, provident fund, small savings scheme account for 53% of total financial savings, while equities and mutual funds get a little more than 10%. Even insurance policies get a bigger slice with almost 18% share in financial household earnings. While you invest in the right and hand-picked investment instruments, make sure you have sufficient health cover and life cover. Pure term plan is the best way to insure your life. The cover should be at least 5 to 6 times your annual income. If there are some outstanding big ticket debts like home loan or education loan, take additional cover for them. A comprehensive floater health plan is a good way to cover your family. Note that you need to build your financial foundation and financial security first. They are key. 3 cheers to the DIY investor in you. More power. Take charge.